Hey, 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 hey. Well, look, it's me. I'm back again. What do you know? This could listen. First of all, so let me apologize. I had it on a different setting, and I should have realized that when I didn't see the comments. Thank you for coming back. And this example I'm about to give you is why we need personal trainers. Because you know what? My personal trainer, Ash Mafara, called me and said, Chris, I deleted the last one. He said, Chris, I think you're on private. I never would have figured that out unless my personal trainer called me to say, hey, man, let me get you back on the right track. And this is what I want to talk about. Number one, I want to start out by saying we have hit the half of a million mark with over 500,000 people that have joined Victory with Ash. I'm excited. Ash Mafara is excited. The people are excited. And I don't want anyone to worry. Those numbers are going to go through the roof as each person privately puts out a message to individuals, but everyone's going to get in. Be patient. Just be patient. And this is what I want to talk about today. I mean, I've got a million things going through my mind now because I messed up a little bit. I'm a human being. I'm going to make mistakes. But thank God I had a personal trainer. And actually, a lot of you text me, Chris, we can't see you. What's going on? Well, the reason you didn't see me is because maybe you're not subscribed. I don't know, but I'm not going to get into that part. I want everyone to see this message. So I was sitting here today. We got 4 inches of snow. My neighbor, she's 90 years old. She always, Chris, you're going to shovel my snow, which I always do. But I was in that mood like, man, I don't really want to go out. It's cold. It's like 25 degrees. The wind's blowing. It's yucky out. Something I don't even like to do anymore, but I know I have to do it. If she didn't take Chris, are you going to come shovel my snow? I might have thought about it. I don't know. And this is what I'm saying. Victory with Ash, my opinion, I believe is going to be my own personal trainers. They're going to come in and they're going to teach you the right way. Years ago, I was a personal trainer for it was called Nautilus Gym. I loved it. I got to teach people the right way. I would see people come in and do these exercises. I'm thinking, what are they doing? They're going to hurt themselves. And of course, I came along and I'm thinking, man, I can help this person out, which I did. Now, in today's society, a lot of you have personal trainers for exercise. Why? Because those people push you in the right direction. They motivate you to do better. This is why I love personal trainers. Victory with Ash, personal trainers. My Peloton bike, I have this big camera on there. Now, I've ridden this bike when it's yucky out without the camera, without my personal trainer on there, and I don't get a good workout. But when I turn on that screen and I've got choices of millions of personal trainers, they come on there, they push me. They push me to go the extra mile, the extra 5 miles, the extra 30 minutes. That's why I love it. If we didn't have personal trainers in our lives, a lot of us would stay sitting on that couch, watching TV instead of going out and being pushed. And I could use the word pushed. I want to push people to success. I want to push people into learning and education, learning something that a lot of people have never seen before. That's what having a personal trainer is all about. Again, I'll use an example. Ash Mafara calls me. I'm like, uh-oh, something's wrong. I did something wrong. Chris, I think you're on private. I wouldn't have figured that out, honest to God. Now, I normally do this all the time, right? I hit the wrong button somewhere, but I had no idea why I couldn't see anyone's comments. Now I can see all my beautiful family, all of you. And I'll call you out in a couple minutes, but let's just discuss personal trainers, all right? Whether they're at your job, all right, whether they're in your neighborhood, I want people to push me. Chris, hey, looks like you gained some extra weight. Let me see if I can help you out. I call that a personal trainer. I call that people that care about me. Hey, Chris, you need to go do something about this before it's too late. All right. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. Victory with Ash is going to be our own personal trainers. And I have no idea exactly what's going to be taught in this amazing platform, but I know it's going to be good. It's going to be fun. It's going to be easy. I have an idea of some of the things Ash Mafara said about online business, offline business, anything personal. And I need that. I'm sorry. I don't care. I'm 60 years old. I said the other day, man, I don't really want to learn anything else anymore, but I do. The truth is, we have people in here from the age of 50 all the way up into the 90s that are saying, you know what, I do want to learn something new. Who does not want to be successful? Why wouldn't you take the steps, especially when it's being offered to you for absolutely free, to go learn something new? And there's going to be people, well, what can he teach you? That's the good question. What can he teach you? Think about it. He's going to teach you. You think he's just doing this for the heck of it? It's costing him money. It ain't costing us a nickel, a penny, a dime to get in there. And why am I screaming? Because I'm trying to tell you, if you don't even check this out, I'm sorry for you. That means you don't want to, your life is perfect the way it is. And I'm going to tell you right now, nobody's life is perfect the way it is until you get to that point where it is perfect, because now you're happy. Most of you are probably not happy with your life. Some of you might be, but most of you have not gotten to the place where you really want to live. You want to do the traveling. You want to do the buying the good food and the good clothes. Now, this classroom that we're going to be going to in Victory with Ash, I believe is going to put you in a position to be able to do anything, almost anything in business, personal. That's why I'm excited about it. Listen, I'm retired 60-year-old fart here. I'm sorry. That's it. And I'm thinking, I look around in your life. Is this really how you want to live the rest of your life? And you have no idea what's going to happen in your future. All right. I just have a big crisis with my brother that scared the living heck out of me. Thank you for all the prayers, by the way. Woo. That's a touchy subject, but we just don't know what's going to happen in life. You know, I'm finding out more and more that there's so many things broken, not just in America, but through the world. And I believe Victory with Ash is going to teach us how to unbreak those things, how to be successful, how to educate yourself on everything that works, that absolutely works. All right. So having a personal trainer. All right. And by the way, had the great example, Chris, you're not doing that right. I wouldn't have known. I'm on a bench press. I'm benching 300 pounds, and a guy comes by and he puts it, Chris, you're not doing that right. You should be pushing with your chest, not your legs and your back. People are helping people. Victory with Ash, there you go. People that are helping people. That's what we want. It's not about anything else. Ash Bafara wants to pick people up, not knock them down. He wants to educate people on what really is going on with this new big beautiful business that's coming our way, and about everything. I said it the other day. If you own a business and you've never even heard about this, it's free to come in and check out what it's all about. It's not going to cost you nothing. Why not learn? You might have a successful business out there, but don't you want to be more successful in that business? You don't know that this course that you're going to take might take your business you have already and put it over the top. That's what I'm saying. Why wouldn't you check it out? You could sit there and talk about all kind of crazy things, but until you do it, it doesn't get done. Ash Bafar is making it get done. He wants you to come in there and succeed. Everything. I mean, over 500,000 people have joined Victory with Ash. I don't know, from a month ago or however long it was. This is an amazing feat. All right. It's not saying, oh, come in, we're going to charge you. Hey, you're going to, no, it's all free. It's just simple knowledge that's going to teach us some amazing things. And I am so darn excited about that. But if you don't get a personal trainer in your life, whether it's spiritual, physical, mental, you're going to stay in the same spot. All right. You can go on the internet and study anything you want. All right. But if you don't have someone leading you in the right direction, you can read oh, yeah, that sounds good. But are you going to do something about it? A personal trainer is going to come in. I'm sorry to say it this way. And they're going to kick your butt, motivate you. They're going to lift you up and explain to you why you need this. Why you need this. Ask yourself this question. Why do I need Victory with Ash? I could give you 1,000,001 reasons, guys. 1,000,001 reasons. So get out there, all right? Start thinking about, look around. When you wake up that alarm clock in the morning and you got to go to that job that you really don't like, think about it. Do I want to do this for 20? I said it for myself. Do I want to do this for 30 years? I did it for 32 years. I was miserable. Yeah, I made money, but I was miserable. I'm excited about this coming out of the retirement and just starting this up and learning. All right. I think it's a good thing. All right. Let me say hi to a few people. Again, I apologize. Who's this? Virginia. How you doing? What's happening? Had Brian, how you doing? Kiana, how you doing? I know Diane Lennon's in there somewhere. Lister T, what's happening? I want to thank everyone who came back. All right. To me, it's not about the number, it's about the message. You could share this if you want. You don't have to. I don't tell you to. But I'm trying to get you guys as your personal trainer. I want to be your personal trainer. I want you to be able to bench 500 pounds. I want you to be able to run 10 miles. I want you to be able to have a successful business. Personal trainers help, and we are going to have the best of the best personal trainers through Ash Mafara, his amazing team, and all his educators. And I'll say it again. I'm excited. All right. MRA, mere affiliate, how you doing? Gina Leva, how you doing? Tanya Hennard, how you doing? France, AI Francine, how you doing? Man, I really need reading glasses is what it is. Ishirwa, how are you doing? Everyone, how are you doing? Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Are you excited about it? Because you should be. You should be. I believe it's going to take you anywhere you want. But yes, you have to do the work. This is going to be a flawless teaching course that's going to change all of our lives. And I'm excited. And all you negative people out there, they say, oh, come on, Chris. Guess what? I'm telling you, come on with Chris. All right. Come on with all these individuals that are on here. We want to help change your life. We want you to succeed. We want you to learn something, because right now, what are you learning at your job but to throw parts? Maybe sit at a desk. You're making someone a lot of money and you're spending a lot of hours doing it. It's time you worked for yourself. It's time you learned on your own with the greatest personal trainers in the world. All right. Don't forget that. I got to go because now I'm so fired up. I do have to go shovel snow. Thank God I got a 90-year-old personal trainer that says, get over here and shovel my snow. And I got a CEO who says, Chris, you're not doing it right. Start over. Personal trainers save time. They save lives. They make your life better. They make it healthier. Welcome to Victory with Ash. And we are going to rock this out. Don't stop talking about it and stay excited, but you're all going to get in. I can promise you that you're all going to get in. Let's do this together. I love you all. God bless. Happy birthday if you got a birthday today. If you're sick, we're praying for you. And again, thank you for all the prayers for my brother. Really need them. And trust in God, man. I believe God led me to this. I believe God led me to Ash Mafara, and I haven't been able to shut up since. And I'm very, very excited. I love you all. You have a great day. And if you live near me, come by and help me shovel snow. All right, Brother Ash, again, thank you. And all the individuals that my little personal trainers that reached out to me and said, Chris, I don't know what's going on. I don't see you. I love you all for it. God bless. We'll see you later. Thank you.